manifesting the right people to come across this particular video, setting the intention of what you needed to know as of the moment that you will be coming across this particular video. You might be looking for a sign, a confirmation, a guidance regarding your situation. Maaring ito yung hinihintay mo ng kasagutan or guidance na maaring kinakailangan mo with what you're currently encountering as of the moment. I'm Ana Santiago, your self-truth coach, intuitive mentor, and the host of Awakening Truths podcast. So without further ado, let's proceed on getting 3 cards for this particular reading. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the energies of my dear Soul Tribe Collective. The one watching this video, what do they need to know? What is the message that needs to reach them as of the moment upon stumbling in my video? Angel, Spirit, Universe. Okay. So last card, please. So at the bottom of the deck, we have here the 5 of Cups. Siguro, mas iniisip mo yung mga bagay that didn't go your way, mga missed opportunity, yung akala mo yun na, pero hindi pa pala. So sometimes we dwell too much on those certain things na hindi na natin nakikita that there is progress and there is movement on the horizon. Wherein, we have here the Chariot. So the Chariot means to say with number 7 here, forceful action, focus and determination, victory and success. So there would be forward movement on the horizon for you. May progress, may growth when it comes to any endeavors that you are wanting to pursue or yung ina-aspire mo na mangyari in your reality. Kaya lang, you are being asked to be intentional. So, syempre, it will be a success. This is after the I'm seeing this as the Six of Wands. May naano ko na Six of Wands. So, for you to be able to achieve that certain success, you need to have intentions and goals. Yes, there would be forward movement, lalo na we are in the year of the fire horse. So, magkakaroon ng movement when it comes to your situation. Hindi mo man ito nakikita as of the moment, pero you are being asked to be intentional, set intentions and goals on how you're going to go about your life in the next 3 to 6 months from now. Kasi nga, we have here the Four of Swords. Hindi ka nakakapag-contemplate, hindi ka nakakapag-nilay-nilay. Kumbaga parang more on go, go, go ka lang, go-getter ka, the one watching this video. And you are being asked to hold your horses and contemplate, strategize, and find time to rest. Kasi might be may Aries energy dito, go, go, go ka lang, very spontaneous to the extent na ikaw yung nagiging exhausted kasi nga you tend to work so much thinking by doing more, you will be receiving the outcome right away. Well, it doesn't work that way. You are being guided to pause, meditate and contemplate, have enough rest, to pagnilay-nilayan mo kung ano man yung mga intentions and goals mo moving forward in life. So we have here the Hermit. Yun nga, you are being called to go on hermit mode, magnilay-nilay, look within yourself kasi you might be looking for that answer, that outcome on the horizon na nadidisappoint ka lang. So kaya we have here the 5 of Cups in the bottom of the deck. That is your energy, underlying energy. Hindi mo man to ina-admit pero you feel like, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Am I doing the right things? Am I on the right path? You are questioning yourself. So instead na hanapin mo yung answers on the external, look into the horizon, kumbaga maging fixated ka, maging attached ka doon sa outcome, mag-focus ka on things that matters the most. Kasi if you don't know where to focus your attention, it's time for you to center it to yourself. Reassessing within yourself, ano yung kailangan mong gawin, ano yung kailangan mong i-work on within yourself, at ano yung kailangan mong iset na intentions and goals moving forward throughout the next 3 to 6 months from now. So this is what I got for you. So remember, readings are only guidance. Readings are fluid. Energies change. From time to time, you have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So if interesado ka to dive deep with this certain concern, you can kindly click the link on my bio or kindly go sa calendly.com/align with Anna for you to book for you to book a tarot session with me so that we can dive deep kung ano man yung concern nyo, kung career, finances, love life, or relationships in general man yan. And you can message me in TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page. Soul Tribe by Anna or Soul Tribe by Anna Santiago with the word tarot or your particular concern or reading na gusto nyo i-avail. And if you are interested to have me as your coach to join my private container, lalo na if you are a woman in your 30s or in your 40s, living on autopilot at gusto mo na i-break yung pattern, yung cycle that you are currently at. So kindly click the link on my bio or kindly go sa calendly.com/alignwithanna for you to book a free discovery call so that we can discuss kung ano man yung meron sa container ko, the Antidote Live Your Truth one-on-one private container at ang inclusions niya at kung ako ba yung tamang coach for your situation. Or you can message me directly Instagram or TikTok, Soul Align Coach, ano with the word truth or antidote or your particular inquiries or concern. This is what I got for you. Maraming salamat. Sending you much love and light.